I'm PJ from TreelineUSA.com. Today I'm here to show you one of my favorite tools to both sell and use in the Dockyard Micro Tools. So come on in and I'll show you how these are used. The Dockyard tools are sold in a couple different sets. This set right here is a V-tool set that has 3 different sizes of the 1.5, 2mm, 3mm, and also 75-degree V-tool. And then you have the gouge set, which is a variety of different U shapes, 1.5, 2, 3, 4, and 5mm. But anyway, these are kind of a trade secret for a lot of caricature carvers and printmakers and other people that need to get in and do some really fine details. You'll see that the Dockyard tools are made with an octagonal handle, which is nice so it doesn't roll off your table. It also gives you a couple different grip points, which makes it real comfortable to use. But what the trademark of these tools is just how easy they to get in and cut wood away. So whether you're making a stop cut with it, or you're just slicing wood off, doing small details, you know, carving around the nose or eyes or ears on a caricature face, or other things, or relief carvers use them as well. And try one of the V-tools right here. You can see just how nice they get in there and cut. The V-tools have a nice sharp bottom on them, so they give you a good crisp mark right at the very bottom. So the tools come pre-sharpened. Of course, I always like to put an extra hone on it, just a little bit. There's a company that makes a Dockyard strop right here. We have another video, I'll link that in this video, showing you how to sharpen all of these tools perfectly with the Dockyard Micro Tool strop. So, but they do come sharp. The metal is a good metal which holds a good edge and just makes carving details just certainly enjoyable. So anyway, that's how you use the Dockyard Micro Tools. If you're someone who likes to carve small details, these Dockyard Micro Tools are amazing. We think you'll absolutely love them. So to see what sizes are available or to pick up your set, visit us at TreelineUSA.com. And to see more videos like this, please click to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching.